Baby.
Oh, hola.
Malicha. Yeah? How are you?
I'm fine.
I can see you're okay.
Yeah.
What's happened now? Then you go marry. Eh? What happened? What about what I told you now? So I told you I want to do everything now in time so that I will take you back to United States of Canada.
Wow. United States of Canada.
And I United States of Canada.
Wait.
For Canada now.
Oh. Anyway, later we'll talk about that later. So come and join me.
Jenny, what?
For
What's this?
it's fufu in our
No,
language.
baby, I don't eat fufu.
In our language we call it semu. If we eat it, oh my
It's
god.
crab. I don't eat this shit.
Ah.
No, I don't.
Okay, you know what? Let me just drink. So I can.
All right.
Okay, okay. I'm coming.
Okay. Look at this thing. Why so many talk? Hey.
Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!
Kasongo ye Mombali nanga Kasongo mbona wewe Songa libala
You be mumu. Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!
Wow. Sorry. Who are you?
Yeah. Yeah. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I came to see my friend here,
Who is your friend?
Blessing, the beautiful damsel.
Oh, my sister?
Is that a sister?
Yes.
I came to see her. I'm just coming back from the States.
State.
Mm.
What state?
United States of Canada.
Yeah.
It's a small world.
Small boy.
Brother, are you the one that finished this food?
No. I thought you are the one that finished the food.
No.
Then who did? Spanner.
Jesus!
I thought you said that you are not eating fufu.
Jesus!
Well, this fufu, you go well, oh.
If I slap you now, you talk fufu. Call it well.
Fufu.
Call it well.
Fufu.
Jesus!
I don't know. Let's get some meat. I never chop.